Hi guys, it's Tuesday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito na ako sa workplace ko and it's been a long time since I make my vlog kasi nga ilang days din kasi na masama yung pakiramdam ko. So, I decided na hindi na muna mag-vlog for ilang days. So, and makapagpahinga naman din tayo. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales and aside from that guys, we'll also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales and maghahanap tayo today ng tracker kasi nga meron tayong pick up this week, so kailangan natin makahanap ng tracker. So actually guys, medyo nahihirapan tayo ngayon kumuha ng mga tracking company or third company kasi nga sobrang taas na ng diesel, so sobrang laki talaga ng effect nito sa amin when it comes to delivery. So that would be my agenda for today guys, and dyan lang muna kayo, mag-work lang din muna ako.
Tapos si Ibi, siya nag-udara? Usa na siya? Ay, kanaw, ita ina. Dali, para lang siya makakuha. Kaya di pag-isip yan. Monitoring.
So, anyway guys, so far, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. So, after work, pupunta lang kami dun sa pagbalikan kasi nga, bibisitahin namin yung lupa na binili nila Nick para sa kanilang bodega. And as what you have noticed guys, sinisimulan na nilang ayusin to para at least magamit na nila. So, anyway guys, maya-maya lang uwi na din kami. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!